Magandang morning sa inyo lahat mga kabaliwan! Welcome to my Day 1 Random Project playlist. Since it's Halloween and I can't think of a scary project to make, suddenly it gave me an idea to make this iconic soldier mask from the hit series from Netflix, The Squid Game. I saw many artists who created their own version of this mask, so I was inspired to make my own. But first, before we start, it's time for
Friend of the Day! Friend of the Day!
shout out and credit to this channel, Jete Crafts. Yes, so I believe he is also my fellow kababayan, and he is the one who unfolded this template. So I am now using your template, GT Crafts. Thank you for sharing your template. So guys, if you want this template, just visit this channel and check the link under the description of his video, and you can get a free download of this template. So thank you so much, GT Crafts. Okay, so things needed for you to do this project: my own version of soldier mask from Netflix Squid Game. First, you need a 4mm thick E.V.A foam, a 3mm thick E.V.A foam. It doesn't matter what color because you're going to paint it anyway. You need exacto knife or just your plain board cutter, a silver ink pen, a super glue, primer paint, black paint, white paint, and flat clear paint. Of course, you need a sandpaper, grit 240 will do, a masking tape, and an acrylic emulsion. Or you can use white glue. Now we begin! But first, of course, before we start, for those who are still new to this channel, hi, I'm Aris Arriesgado, and my passion is making different projects and showing you how I do it. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button for more updates. Remember, it's one day or day one. You decide. Let's do it now! Squid Game Soldier Man! Yahoo! Okay, best fit time. Let's go outside. Okay guys, this is the finished Squid Game soldier mask. This is an officer mask. So it is very cheap, but you have to be very patient in punching all the holes. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching!